The Chinese government's mouthpiece Xinhua news agency reported that 56 people have died and 5 people are missing in the severe floods caused by the intense rainfall in Henan in the past few days, and comprehensive rescue operations as well as cleanups are being carried out. According to the information provided by Henan Emergency Management Office, as of July 31, the flood has impacted total over 7.57 million people across 133 counties, sites and districts, and 1306 towns. Almost 1 million people are relocated, and more than 200,000 people are in need of urgent aid. Over 1.4 million acres of land is flooded. About 94,000 houses are damaged or completely destroyed. However, the Chinese government has the tradition of underreporting losses from either natural disasters or man-made ones, as the officials have to face punishments if the numbers are greater than the threshold set as criteria to assess their performance, especially when it comes to death toll. The CCP local authorities have already started to suppress people's voices to reveal the true damage and causes. However, numerous photos and videos recording the disaster have been leaked out to the outside world, which are the smoking gun showing the real numbers. It is believed that the true numbers of deaths and missing people are much higher than just 56. It is even worse in the remote villages where it is hard or impossible to collect any data. In some villages, lives and properties are completely removed by the flood.